504 and 512. Yep. And BNSF 4413. How's it going, YouTube? Me and Keon's trains are here at St. Paul Union Depot. Happy National Train Day. As you can see, I've got the Amtrak baggage car here. One of the brand new ones. I tried to video the arrival of 400 and my SD card kept crapping out.
Very good. Right off the assembly line, not even in service yet.
How soon?
They're going to be phased in throughout the rest of this year and through next year.
Okay.
So that's the inside of the baggage car. What do you think?
Right now we're just getting our employees trained on them. That's why they're out here. We happen to have this one here in time for train day.
Oh, that's cool.
So there's that for you. Alright, YouTube, while waiting for the Cedar Rapids, here's the Cedar Rapids car. Milwaukee Road, you gotta love it. But it looks like final work just got done a few days ago on it. I believe the 5th was Tuesday. So, but there's that for you, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, we're coming in for the tour now inside the Cedar Rapids car. How about that?
Good afternoon. Go ahead and sit where you want.
This is amazing.
12 o'clock. Hey, how you doing, Brad?
I thought that would be Rick.
Yeah, how you doing?
Good. How are
Good to
you?
see you. Doing great.
I figured that maybe you used to be in the train.
Oh yeah, still
My
am.
son Josiah.
Hi Josiah, Rick Fontan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I used to work.
And I'm
with him.
filming.
You're filming up.
Yep.
I used to work with him at American.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Nice. Did you just take a picture of me, Keon?
No.
Okay, but I have you on video now, so. Okay.
Claire, come back here.
Okay, I'm gonna stop for a minute, YouTube.
I'm with the Friends of the 261, and we're a volunteer organization based in Minneapolis, St. Paul here. We own all these cars that are here today, plus about 8 more. This car is a Milwaukee Road car. Milwaukee Road car from 1948. And we bought it in 1999. We recently renovated the whole thing, so all the ceiling is new, all these rounded curved wood pieces are new, all the glass is brand new, took all the glass out, shades. We found the original carpeting design, we found a manufacturer to manufacture the original carpet look, so that's all been replaced. All the seats, cushions, everything have been replaced. The seats swivel and they recline back. The car runs in service from time to time on charters. And next week it's going to Chicago. The weekend after that it's going to Chicago. It goes to Duluth every once in a while. Sometimes we have a whole train that goes, or all of our equipment. Sometimes we're behind Amtrak. So you can find all of that information on 261.com. All the trips and everything about the equipment. We also own a 1944 steam locomotive that's fully operational. It'll run out on the railroad at 79 miles an hour all day long. So it's a cool organization. If you're interested, again, 261.com. There are 3 more cars forward here, including a big dome car. I'd encourage you to see that. And a private business car as well, and a concession car, and then there's a locomotive up front. That doesn't belong to us. So watch your step on the plastic walking out of here. For those of you who want to see the back, if people in the back would walk on this side of the car, and the others can walk that way, you can do kind of a quick U-turn through. Thank you very much for coming. Sorry for the quick speech. Lots of people today. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go see the back. Keon, I'm going to the back. Sorry about that, YouTube. So we're coming to the back of the Cedar Rapids now with the open observation car. Yeah, if you want that, go ahead.
Oh, this is really nice.
Yeah.
You've got all the meat in there.
Beats plane travel.
That's for sure.
A lot of work in there.
Alright, well, there's that YouTube. Alright, YouTube, we're in the dome car now.
There's people walking by. They need their shirt too. Take a picture of them, yes. Yeah. And the train. Look at this.
Look at this.
Inside it.
Look at this, YouTube. All the city buses over there. Oh, sorry about that.
Hi. Hi, folks. How are we doing? Good. How are you? Oh, great.
You guys want to go home.
All right, good.
Yeah, that's for sure, Keon.
Hi, folks.
Hello, how you doing today?
Great, yourself?
I'm doing good.
What a day. A nice day. Hi, folks.
It's a very nice day. Was this one on the North Pole Express in December, Keon?
No. They get rides on this for North Pole Express, huh?
Yeah, that was the one that we saw in December.
Was it?
Yeah.
These are nice.
Yep. And I'm still videoing.
Oh, this is the end of it.
Haha.
When you go down the stairs.
Oh, we're gonna go down the stairs. They can go see more.
Okay, that's enough. Hello. Alright, well, that's the dome car, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, we're in the concession car now. And there is Mr. Moto Foamer.
The gestures I would give at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Can I interest you in a HO scale replica of our Cedar Rapids or Superdome?
I already got those.
Right.
You do?
Yeah, I got them both.
You're lucky.
Be sure to grab a copy of the flyers.
Oh, yeah.
Feel free to grab multiple and hand them out to people too.
Oh, yeah. YouTube, our flyer for our Facebook group.
How's it going, man?
How about that?
Speaking of Cedar Rapids.
There's the Cedar Rapids HO scale replica, YouTube.
That's $5,000. Nothing. It's just the extra signs. Get right on.
Alright. UP 24467. That's interesting. If you look way down there, I don't even know if you can see that, YouTube, but there's the locomotives. And there are no trains at the moment.
You got it? Yep.
Alright, well, that's the concession car, YouTube.
Point is 101 years old.
Alright, YouTube, this is the Lambert's Point
Business car.
Business car. Thank you, Keon.
Because it's Lambert's Landing is right there for the towboats.
Oh, yeah, I see. This is a really cool car. What's that? Yeah, it does. It's cookies. Keon, it's cookies. Wow. That's not the Norfolk 611, or Norfolk and Western 611, but that's what Norfolk and Western 611 really looks like, YouTube.
9,000 cookies for the North Pole Express.
Really?
Yep. 10 days.
That's not Keon.
Who's ringing my bell? What's that?
That's not 611, but I wish it was.
Same concept.
Yeah. As we continue through the cars, YouTube. Oops. Or not.
Outside, so it's
A little bit narrow, but it works, I guess.
supposedly bedrooms and stuff in here.
It's a cabin.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe this is the bathroom.
Bedrooms, all that good stuff, YouTube.
Ouch!
Did you hit something, Keon?
No, I tripped on this thing.
Oh, nice.
Tripped on the vent.
Nice job.
Boy, am I
Cabin car we took when we went to Russia.
Ooh, a bunk bed.
We had those when we went to Russia, buddy.
Nice. So the restroom's in there, I guess. But then we have the bunk bed here. Yep. Excuse me. I'm just gonna.
That's why there's its.
I don't like having my bag.
Its own dining room, its own bathrooms, the bunk beds, and then this actually would fold out into a bed if they wanted to bring guests. The other thing too is as they're going down the rails, this room was set up like this, and they'd have a table in the center and they could play board games because they didn't have TV. So they'd play board games and they'd play card games to keep themselves occupied while they're going down. So, very nice.
Even by today's standards.
Very, very true.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Hello, folks.
All right, thank you. I got one.
Perfect. Perfect.
What year was this car used from?
Pardon?
About what years were these?
Well, this is 101 years old right now.
Oh, really? Wow.
This car.
Alright, so coming off the car, YouTube, we have BNSF ES44C4 8143 with us today. Here at St. Paul's Union Depot. $81.43 YouTube. One of the brand new ES44C4 locomotives. And then over here, YouTube, as you probably saw earlier, we got the GN400 Hustle Muscle locomotive.
We're gonna go get a stroller first, okay? This is a really good place.
There it is.
Down there by the river.
Yeah. Our YouTube way down there, as you probably heard Keon's train say, the Great Pumpkin is in town. It's moving there.
BNCP transfer.
Yes, as he said, YouTube. There is it. It's probably got buried behind those bushes.
Yeah, it probably looks like they're stopping and slowing down.
Yeah, they're going really slow, so it's probably gonna.
Westbound and Northbound or whatever.
Yep. There's the head end of it, and then the Great Pumpkin is the second unit. If I can find it. I don't like this fence. Well, at least that's better than nothing, YouTube. It looks like he stopped, Keon. Yeah, I know. That's why I don't like this. I don't know why I stopped. Yep.
How did that picture turn out?
But YouTube, like I said, the Great Pumpkin's way down there. Alright, YouTube, we're in the Great Northern car now.
Now you're gonna have to buy it.
And we'll actually be going up to tour the Hustle Muscle. As Keon's train said behind me, YouTube.
Yes, I'm stalking you.
You've been stalking me the whole time.
Yeah, because you want me to.
Yeah. Oh, I see a light rail train at the station. Haha. Not worried about the light rail train though. Right now, anyway.
The coach you're in is a 1951 built passenger coach. Ran on the Great Northern Empire Builder between Chicago and Seattle, Portland from 1951 through 1970 as part of the Great Northern Empire Builder, and I believe it went into Amtrak service for a little while after that. And we've had possession of the car, I think, for about 15 years. We've restored it to its original colors, and most of the seating in here is original, which is both good and bad. This is what they thought looked good in 1951. So you've got a lot of hardwood to look at.
Where was the car built?
1951.
Where?
I believe it was built in Illinois, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to find those details out.
Lots of room.
Care for a brochure.
Sure.
Tells you about the Minnesota Transportation Museum. Do you know about us?
Yep.
I'm a volunteer.
Okay, well then, you know plenty.
Keon 6234s on the front. I really want to get up there this year to Osceola. Yeah, pretty much. Are you going up there next weekend?
Next weekend? What's next? Oh, yeah. I'll be at the Roundhouse next week.
Ah, okay.
Hands-on day. And then I gotta do that drug test.
Thank you. The brochure about the Minnesota Transportation
Drug test. Beautiful. Well, this is good. You got the directions for us for chasing later.
I got it on my phone. I got it bookmarked some places I want to try and get it.
Weekend.
Okay, cool.
And we'll be happy to see you up there.
Vadnais Heights, I'm pretty familiar with that area. I'm pretty familiar with the Vadnais Heights area.
Run, we have two different runs. One
That we'll be seeing later.
Osceola to Marine on St. Croix and back. And then a little shorter run, that's about 55 minutes, goes from Osceola to Dresser and back. Dresser, Wisconsin. If you're familiar with the area, it's about a 12-mile round trip to Dresser and about a 20-mile round trip between Osceola and Marine on St. Croix.
Does it stop in St. Croix or does it turn around?
We have a siding there where the locomotive runs around.
Except the siding's out of
And
service.
attaches to the
Really?
other end and pulls us back.
CN pulled it out of
Right
service, so
now
we
we're
got to shove.
running a push-pull operation.
See?
Nice job, CN.
See, right there. You just repeated what I
I was
said.
thinking it'd be nice.
Nice
Repeated what I said.
Nice job, CN.
Actually, no, you don't disembark there.
Oops. Well, I'll put that in my bag too. Apartment there. Wonder how much video I'm gonna have after this whole day.
I'm trying to be conservative. It's going to be a lot.
Oh yeah.
HD takes a gigabyte.
Yes, it does. Alright, well, I'm gonna stop the video for now. You've seen the whole car, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, here we're on...
Train going by, I can hear it.
Yup. If that's a bandit, I'm gonna be really mad. But we're on the Hustle Muscle right now, YouTube. The GN 400. And there's Dan.
And the man.
With his narrow gauge, as always, because we all know who loves his narrow gauge.
Overalls.
Yep.
Where's that train?
No, I think they might be starting the Jevo up.
Well, that'd be something.
I think they're starting the Jevo. Isn't that something, YouTube? I think they're starting BNSF 8143.
Open that, pop open it, it's locked.
Oops. I'm just gonna be right here for a minute. Yep. Hi, Dan.
Oh my god, it's here.
I've got Keon behind me too.
I know you do, I saw him.
Nice.
Try not to sound so excited.
They're starting up 8143, I think.
It's got an auto start on it.
Oh, it does?
It'll probably start itself up and shut itself down intermittently throughout the day.
Is that thing the horn right there? Nice.
Sit up here.
Dan and his narrow gauge, as always. We all know who loves narrow gauge.
Hey, I haven't told you yet, Eric. I'm going out there next month to go run steam.
Are you? Yeah. Yep. Kind of suspected you were.
Yeah, I did fireman school last year.
Right. Yeah.
Fire school next month.
All right.
Okay. Have fun.
Don't crash it.
Yeah, I'll try not to.
If you crash that, you can't run here.
Yeah,
Yep.
that'll be before I start shooting here too.
Yeah.
Probably sometimes.
So that's the GN 400 YouTube. And if you didn't hear what Dan said, the 8143 has an auto start on it, and that's why you hear it running. Thanks, sir. There goes my bag.
Did you take a shot at you by the train or anything? Or?
In a minute. But you can hear the Gevo running, YouTube. There it is. Alright, YouTube, I have to do a handheld shot here because this Eastbound came up unexpectedly. 6869. And 5366 on a stack. We'll just do a low angle shot, YouTube. Oh, he's honking for the UP engine. Rebel Alliance. Rebel Alliance. Yeah, screw the low angle shot. I'm just gonna bring it up here. Rebel Alliance, Rebel Alliance, Rebel Alliance, Rebel Alliance. Too many of these. Race! YouTube, as you can see. Yeah, screw this. Whoop, sorry YouTube. I was saying 1926 on the Racing UP. Sorry about this, YouTube. I'm trying to set up my tripod. And 1992. might be stopping. Well, it looks like this train's coming to a stop, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, here's this UP manifest about to move out again. There's the end. I see it. I don't care if I get in your shot. Woohoo! Great train there goes into the yard, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, here comes another westbound. Coming out of Pigseye, going at a pretty good speed, I might say. From what I saw, it was a -9 on the point. Where? There it is. 48.26 looks to be the leader. Where does the cars have to go by? 46.26, Mike's. My bad. Woo! 4404 and UP 7702. Woohoo! Swift. I do heavy in. Swift. 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 You ever heard of Extreme Highway Fan? Swift. Except for one, I think it's all JB Hunts from the here on to the end. Great double stack, there goes west to Seattle. Alright, YouTube, here comes another westbound with a Citirail leading. Looks to be an oil train this time. 1320 leading.
We're not the only ones, girlfriend.
Really?
These guys at work.
Oh yeah. That was a really nice shot. Sweet. My second Citirail. Yep. comes the end of it, YouTube. Great train, nice to see another Citirail locomotive. There goes that train west to North Dakota. YouTube, another handheld shot. Here's CP 8859. Woo! An 9618. Woohoo! Go for a sorry, YouTube. Just trying to set up my tripod. There we go. Here comes the end of it. Oops, sorry, YouTube. Great oil train, there it goes east to, I don't know, Chicago. Alright, YouTube, here comes GN 400 pushing its car. Oh, it's beyond, Keon, it's beyond that little gate. This is interesting. And there it comes to a stop, it looks like, right there. I think he stopped. Alright, YouTube, I'm using my iPod now because my camera will not cooperate. But here comes GN 400 passing through Withrow. Woo! Woo! our buddy Dan in the conductor's seat. Holy shit, that thing has a nice K3LA. And there goes that train continuing to use a shot of 400 passing through Withrow. Having to flag it because of, looks like, crossing troubles.
Yeah, that crossing isn't working at
No,
all.
it isn't. The train's right on the crossing, too. One thing's for certain, 400 knows how to smoke. Alright, and there it goes again, YouTube. Here's yet another shot of 400 passing through. Holy crap, I like this thing's K3LA. There goes that train once again, YouTube. Holy crap, what the heck? There it goes. Alright, YouTube, we're in, we're just north of Marine on St. Croix. Here's 400 again. Woo! Keon's train's dad is there, YouTube. There goes northbound. Alright, YouTube, we're at Osceola. Here's 400 arriving. Woo! Woo! I'm just gonna move back a little bit, YouTube. There we go. There's Keon's trains. Woo! Woohoo! YouTube. Alright, YouTube, here's 400, moving forward a little bit. Or a lot. Holy crap.
Now the switching again.
Sorry. It's alright, Keon. Sorry about that, YouTube. As you might have heard Dan Linford say, YouTube, now the switching begins. And there it is. Alright, YouTube, 400 starting some switching here. It's going to come back here and hook up to the BN6234 here.
Ooh, car signs.
Yeah, there's Dan. I should probably snap a couple pictures myself. Find your way. Alright, it's stopped. Alright, YouTube. It's coupling up with Dan Linford's in the way there. And they're coupled. Yep. I'm gonna stop for a minute.